What's good, y'all? It's Kingtise. Welcome back to Throughout the Association. And the Houston Rockets have finally freed my boy Carmelo Anthony from the dungeon, but they sending him to Chicago. Now, the Rockets have agreed to trade Melo and some cash to Chicago, and they're finally doing this so they can create some space to sign Kenneth Faried, which I think is a very good move, knowing Clint Capella going to be out about 6 weeks, which is also why they recently released James Nunnally. Now, I know what y'all thinking, Chicago? The Bulls? Huh? But Melo won't actually play a game for Chicago. They'll release him and he'll become a free agent. Or according to Adrian Wojnarowski, they may wait until February 7th, which is the trade deadline, and try to include him in the deal. Man, free Melo. Let this man go to LA, okay? I see LeBron liking the Instagram post. I fully believe Carmelo will be on the Lakers by the end of this year. This refusing to release him, but you don't even want him on your roster, but you want to trade him, though, is wasting his time and is keeping him out of game shape, because when he does get to a team that wants him, he ain't played in no games. You can say what you want about Carmelo, but I think he deserved better than what they doing right now, and I still believe on the right roster, Carmelo Anthony is still effective. Free Melo. What you guys think about this? And definitely subscribe.